Hello, this is Jackie with JNM Reviews, and today I am happy to review this sample provided by Rolda Professionals. Thank you, Rolda, for this hairspray. So this is an sculpting spray that you're going to use best results on hair that is dry, and you're going to use it before your styling cream or your styling gel, and it's going to add texture and volume to your hair. It's good for all hair types. So what you want to do is you just want to be sectioning the hair. Even you can use it in between, in the middle of your haircut. So it's going to create a weightless hole and add thickness to the hair. So you can section your hair and just spray it. This is like a primer before you use your styling gel, and this is how you do it. You see automatically how my hair looks like so amazing, and it also adds that shine that you can see on my hair is because I'm using this product, and it adds a lot of volume, so it makes you feel pretty. Also, I feel that I can now style my hair however I want to, and it's going to look great. So I am having a good hair day. Thank you for watching my video. I hope that you check them out.